my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. David and I like our homemade pancakes. They can be either plain, apple spice, blueberry, lemon ricotta, or pumpkin. My mother introduced us to another flavor and it was buckwheat pancakes. Super tasty and fluffy, these gluten-free breakfast items are easy to make. Topped with butter, maple syrup, and berries, this is a healthy way to start your day. So let's get cooking. In a bowl, we'll combine buckwheat flour, some brown sugar, followed by baking powder, as well as baking soda, a little bit of ground cinnamon, and the same amount of ground sea salt. We'll whisk until the ingredients are well blended and set aside for now. Next, in another bowl, we'll add buttermilk, a large beaten egg, and half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. We'll whisk until nicely mixed before adding our dry ingredients and continue whisking until the batter is smooth. We'll allow the mixture to rest for 15 minutes. Eventually, you'll see a bunch of bubbles showing up on the surface. A few minutes later, we're ready to start. So, either using a skillet or a griddle, on medium heat, we'll add a tablespoon of butter and spread it out until melted. We'll ladle on about a quarter cup of batter. I know, it's pretty thick, but still spreadable. To make the pancakes thinner, we'll gently spread them out with the back of our ladle to form a disc. We'll cook them for 3.5 to 4 minutes or until golden brown. When we see small bubbles forming on top of the pancakes and the edges getting dry, it's time to flip them. This time, we'll cook them for a little less, about 2 to 3 minutes. We'll transfer them to a warm plate while repeating the same process by melting another tablespoon of butter and then cooking the remaining batter. We'll serve them with a dollop of butter, some maple syrup, and berries. And my friends, these are our buckwheat pancakes. Hearty and healthy, these little guys are so delicious. They're perfect for anyone looking for pancakes that are tasty and gluten-free. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!